Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add in like a camera shake sort of effect on your pictures on CapCut. So select the picture and then I'm going to go to style. Here you're just going to press camera shake and wait for it to generate for a bit. It takes okay, and I'm just going to add it to this other picture too, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing. Go to style and and add in camera shake. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool if you ask me. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.